Today's questions are, here is the first question. 3 balls are drawn at random from a bag containing 8 black and 10 white balls. So we are drawn 3 balls out of 8 black and 10 white balls. What is the chance that they are all white? First question. And what is the chance that one is black? Second part. So here we see that 8 black and 10 white ball. So we are writing 8 black ball as 8B and 10 white ball as 10W. So the total ball 8 black and 10 white, that means 10W. So here first page is, so here A is equals to 3 balls are drawn. Drawn means here selecting from 8 black and 10 white equals to what? Out of 8 plus 10 we are selecting 3, that means 8 plus 10 C3, that means 18 C3. Now A is equals to, this is the first part, what is the chance that they are all white? They are means, here they are means 3 balls. They are means we are, here they are means 3 balls. So 3 balls are all white. That means 3 white balls. So here we see that 10 white balls. So out of 10 white balls we can select 3 white balls in 10C3 ways. Therefore the probability of A is equals to what? 10C3 whole divided by 18C3. Now come to the second part. What is the chance that one is black? So B is equals to 1 black ball. So if one is black ball, out of 3, the other 2 will be white. So 1 black ball, 2 white ball. So we can select 1 black ball out of 8, 8C1 ways, and 2 white ball out of 10, 10C2 ways. Therefore the probability of B what? 8C1 into 10C2 whole divided by 18C3. This is the answer. Come to the second question. 2 balls are drawn at random from a bag containing 6 white and 4 black balls. Find the chance that one is white and the other is black. So here AS is equals to what? AS is equals to 2 balls are drawn from 6 white and 4 black, right? So we can select 2 balls out of 6 and 4 black, that means 6 plus 4 out of 2 in 6 plus 4 C2 ways, that means 10 C2 ways, because we are selecting, drawn that means selecting. Now A is equals to what? Chance that one is white and the other is black. So A is equals to 1 white ball and other is black, means out of 2, if one is white then one is black. So that equals to, we can select 1 white ball out of 6 white ball, 6C1 ways, and 1 black ball out of 4 black balls, 4C1 ways. Therefore the probability of A is equals to 6C1 into 4C1 whole divided by 10C2. Come to the third question. An urn containing 5 black, 6 red and 4 white balls. So 5 balls are drawn at random from the urn. Find the probability that exactly 2 of the drawn balls are black. Okay, so there are 5 black, 6 red and 4 white balls. Out of these we have to select 5 balls. So A is equals to 5 balls out of 5 black, 6 red, 4 white. That means 5 balls out of 5 plus 6 plus 4 balls, right? So we can select 5 balls out of this is equals to 15C5 ways, right? Now A is equals to, find the probability that exactly 2 of the drawn balls are black. So 2 black balls. So if 2 balls are black, then out of 5 balls 3 are others. 3 others balls. 3 other balls. These 3 balls are possible. 3 other balls. If we are selecting 2 black balls out of 5 black balls, we can select 2 balls. 5C 2 ways, and 3 other balls out of 6 and 4. That means 10 balls. 10 other balls out of 10 other balls, we can select 3 balls. 10C 3 ways. So 5C2 into 10C3. Therefore, probability of A is equals to what? 5C2 into 10C3 whole divided by 15C5.